Hello dear friends, in this video I'll be making French crepes. As always, you'll find the ingredients listed below the video. In a bowl I combine the eggs and sugar, whisking them together until blended. Next I add part of the milk. I pour in all the flour and mix thoroughly until the batter is smooth and lump-free. Once the batter is silky, I add the remaining milk and mix well again. I add a pinch of salt, melted butter, and a splash of rum. Mix everything well and let the batter rest for a bit. You can cook the crepes on any pan, but if you have a crepe pan, it's best to use that. I don't grease the pan, as there's already butter in the batter. I cook all the crepes over slightly above medium heat. Serve the crepes with jam, honey, or maple syrup. I hope you find my video helpful. See you next time.